Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you today? Meet me again, Zuhrotul Mufidah. I'm from offering A, Biology Education, Faculty of Math and Science, State University of Malang. Do you still remember me? Yesterday, I explained the article about why don't elephants get cancer. Now, I want to explain my reason again. But now, title of the article is Fierce Lesson that invasive fungi will completely wipe out Hawaii's iconic native tree by Elizabeth P. Okay, let's start it. Okay, do you know what is the iconic Hawaii's tree? It is ohia. Ohia has very beautiful red flower. This tree lives in lava flows of volcanic mountain, but it has been found that invasive fungi have begun to kill ohia from 4 years ago. The fungus that attack ohia are two different species. First, Ceratocystis lucu ohia. This fungus kills ohia by blocking the circulatory system. Then, what happens if the circulatory system is blocked? Of course, the ohia trees cannot metabolize their body. Because if the circulatory system is blocked, there are no water and mineral intake. And the result of photosynthesis by leaves, like sugar, which should be distributed throughout the plant's body, will stop. So that, over time, can cause the ohia to die. And the second fungus that can infect the ohia is C. huli ohia. This fungus, which causes cancer sores, but not too deadly. So most of the ohia that infected by Ceratocystis ohia will die. But if the ohia was infected by huli ohia, can still live. And according to case study, the Ceratocystis ohia comes from Latin America, while the huli ohia have been imported from Asia or Australia. One way to reduce the risk of ohia can infected by fungi is by installing fence around them. This is done so the feral animal cannot hurt ohia. And this is according to Asner says, and I want to read the Asner says. Some really strong evidence that feral animals are spreading the fungus. It can wounding trees and making them more susceptible to infection. Besides that, larger ohia trees will be more vulnerable because they provide a greater target for windborne sow, thus carrying the pathogens. Hughes says, those new lava flows will give ohia a chance to recover. Maybe ohia who is infected by fungus is ohia who live in the old lava flows. But when ohia get new lava, so they has a chance to live. Then why can lava recovery Ohia tree? In my opinion, when Ohia is in a good lava flow, it will affect the body's endurance. So when it is attacked by fungus, it can still be handled. But when the lava conditions are bad, the body's resistance will be reduced, so that the fungus easily to infect. And the conclusion of this article, Ohia is a plant that grows in lava flows. Ohia can die because a fungus that infects it by blocking the circulatory system. But it can be prevented by making a fence around the tree. That to avoid animals that can hurt Ohia. Because a fungal infection will occur when Ohia is injured. Okay, that's all the best I can say. I hope what I say can be useful. Thanks for watching and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.